Welcome back to the channel. I was going to do a quick video today just kind of going over some of the maintenance items that we need to work on this winter. We have some general equipment maintenance, just the sickle mower, some stuff on the baler, but then we have some things on the tractors, some minor things we need to go over. So I'll walk around here and kind of show you what we got. On the Kubota 5240, just have a couple minor things. On the front tie rods, you can see here that rubber boot's torn. And I can get those boots from the dealer pretty easily, but they don't seem very heavy duty, or I hate to replace that and have it tear again right away. So I'm looking, I know some people put CV boots, like from a CV joint on a car, in place of those. So I really just need to grab my calipers. You can order the boots online pretty easily. I just need to grab a pair of calipers and measure basically what this diameter is here, and then this diameter right back here, and then get two boots ordered. I'm just going to, only this side. This is the right side when you're sitting in the seat. Just this side's torn, but I'm just going to go ahead and replace them both. And then we have the same thing on the BX, the 2380. If you look at the, I'm trying to get here where you see it, there you go. If you look at the tie rod ends coming right out of the cylinder there, that little boot's torn. So be nice if Kubota could put something a little more heavy duty. I mean, they know that's a joint that's going to be, it's moving and flexing. So it's a little disappointing that they tear that easily, but, and again, it's only on the right side for some reason. I don't know why that is. I don't know why both tractors, the right side boots would tear and the left wouldn't, but it seems to be what it does. The Ford, if you saw the video I did with replacing the water pump, it started up kind of hard after I replaced the pump and fired it up for the first time. And I went to move it the other day and it wouldn't start at all. It would fire on one, maybe two cylinders occasionally, but not enough to get it running. So I need to look at the ignition system. The points, cap, rotor, plugs, all that is all fairly new. I'd say it has 20 hours or less on it. I need to look at that and see what's going on. Maybe the timing slipped. So I need to tear into that. I want to get this tractor running. The 986, I need to prioritize what I want to do. It has some oil leaks. The front end has some wear in it that needs taken care of. The oil leaks aren't a huge deal. I mean, it's just more annoying than anything else. But there's multiple oil leaks. And then the main thing I want to do is I want to go through the shift linkage. The detents aren't real noticeable, and the engagement I think could be a lot better. So I'd say that's the main thing I want to do, is go through shift linkage. We'll see. If I do the front end, it's probably worth just going through everything, replacing the tie rod ends, all the bushings, just getting it all done. And when I do that, I want to space the front tires out. I spaced the rear tires out some and haven't done the front yet. I think I need to bring the fronts out one notch. So I don't know if I'll get to the front end this winter or not, but mainly with the 986, I just need to prioritize what all I want to do to it after the shift linkage. Shift linkage is definitely first. I have the baler and the sickle mower kind of just jammed over here for the winter, but at some point I'm going to pull those out. The sickle mower, I think I mentioned, I did a video this past summer replacing some of the knife sections, but I want to go through and replace all the rock guards and then the remaining knife sections, and get that fixed up. Some of the rock guards, I forget what you call the plate that the knife section reacts against, but some of those they're dull. One or two are missing. Just need to go through the sickle mower and get it ready to go. And then the baler, we don't need a lot to do to it. The one thing I want to check is the slip clutch for the pickup. One thing I noticed this year, second cutting and definitely third cutting, was that the pickup was slipping a lot more, and not necessarily because of a real heavy windrow. There was a few times where the ground was real uneven, and I know the teeth were kind of catching the ground a little bit. There was a little hump, but there was other times where I think the slip clutch is wearing out. So you need to take a look at that. It might need adjusted. Maybe the friction plates are shot, but we just need to look at that. The hay rake probably has a few teeth that need replaced. I've done a video on that. I won't do another one. I'll bore you guys. I'll take a look at the crimper, just make sure that there's nothing glaring wrong with that. And again, with the baler and the sickle, I'll do a general once over, just looking at everything, make sure there's nothing that is about to go wrong. But other than that, that should be the extent of equipment maintenance. I'll have to check hours for the tractors, for engine oil and fuel filters and all that. Take a look and see if any of that needs done. But that should be the extent of our equipment maintenance for this winter. But I'll definitely be doing a video or two, or depending on how involved we get, I'll be doing a video or multiple. So thanks everyone for watching. If you watched till the end here, I appreciate that. Please hit the like, the subscribe button. That helps us out a lot. We thank you for that, and we'll see you on the next one.